Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Applerush Brands, a channel striving to provide quality consumer packaged goods from manufacturing to distribution. Today, we have the privilege to be joined by Chief Executive Officer Tony, who's going to give us a broad overview as we kind of dive through the whole aspects of the business this week. Anyways, there's a lot going on under the hood there. So first and foremost, welcome, Tony.
Hey, thanks, Kyle. It's good to be here.
Always a pleasure to get you back on. So first and foremost, you were recently just at the brewery. I mean, you had some footage from there. You were getting into some of the kratom testing and extracts. You want to give us some further insight in exactly what's going on the ground floor?
Yeah, we're at the brewery today and we're packaging black cherry speciosa soda for Botanaway, and it turned out really, really good. It's a solid product. It comes out the line. It's got the right carbonation level in it. It's not too overly carbonated, not undercarbonated. It's really right on the spot, and the taste of it is absolutely amazing. It doesn't have so much of a bitter taste to it. We added a little bit of extra juice to it, concentrate, to tame down a little bit of the bitterness from the kratom extract. But what we're doing is we're actually in the process. We've been doing some testing and extracting our own kratom crush leaf, making extracts of our own. Instead of importing the extract, we're going to be bringing in the kratom leaf, doing our own extract, formulating from our own extract, which will give us some advantages as well. It'll give us some cost advantage. It'll give us some ability to control what's really going on in the market. Importing extracts is a challenge. The costs are really high. If you want an 85% extract, you can expect to maybe spend as much as $16,000 just to get a kilo of extract. So give you an idea of how much mitragynine costs. We can do the extract and probably do it for a few $1,000s per kilo. That's what we're targeting. So we're going to try to cut it less than half, by 60 or 70% the cost of it. So it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, that's incredible. And kind of expanding, you're doing some more advertising here as well. You're kind of pushing into some TV shows I thought was pretty intriguing. You want to give a little insight into that?
Yeah, we're working on a project. We haven't totally got it finalized yet, but we're looking at a project that we can be involved in that's going to be on MAV TV, and we are negotiating to be the title sponsor for that product. And it's kind of exciting. It's part of Rich Bickle's program, with racing and everything. His PR guys are involved in it, and it should be really kind of neat.
Yeah, that's another intriguing aspect here. I think just to kind of continue pushing these products out, kind of from the Broadview perspective, and kind of just moving a little bit away from the brewery. I mean, your Earth Loop for concrete testing has kind of been underway here. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, we've been doing some testing with a couple different concrete companies, making the forms in the concrete business are mostly they're poured. It's aluminum form. You pour concrete. You use either diesel fuel or WD-40 or something like that, so they separate. And Earth Lube is actually a non-petroleum based product, plant-based product that we use for the mold release agent instead of diesel fuel or instead of WD-40. It's a lot better for the environment when it goes down into the ground. It's not toxic like a traditional petroleum-based product is, because it is made from vegetables. So it's a soy-based product. So it's pretty exciting. But we've tested it with a couple big concrete companies, and we'll see. We're hoping to have a final, contract from one or both of them possibly here in the near future. It'll be pretty exciting.
And that's great to hear. And a lot of this kind of comes around some patents as well. You've been updating. Kind of just give us some insight into what's going on there.
Yeah, we've gone from being just a provisional patent in our additive that is used in the welding wire arena, where you pull wire through a tank water bath and it's electroless, and you have to prepare the metal so that the copper will attach to it and be plated. And we have a patented product that we utilize for that, and it's used by one of the largest welding wire manufacturers in the country. And we're pretty excited about where that is as well. We have another meeting actually today that is going on, I think right about now actually, for another company looking at using the solution in their wire production facilities. So a lot of things going on. It's pretty exciting.
Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. And just kind of round off this conversation of the many different facets of your business here. Hemp Farms, I know you're getting that into some productions shortly. You want to just finish updating that as well?
Yeah, we are going to be harvesting our crop from this year. It's in about 2 weeks. It'll start harvesting, and then 2 to 3 weeks after that, we'll harvest our second batch, we're hoping to have 300 to 400 pounds of hemp flower. And we're going to convert that hemp flower into pre-rolls and moon rocks. And we'll be using some Delta H, HHC, probably some THCO acetate. We're going to do some pretty exciting things with our products and bring them to retail. We're going to give some real options for homegrown, Florida grown, organically grown hemp product, which is kind of exciting.
On that note, Tony, I definitely appreciate these insights today, kind of giving us a well-rounded view of what's going on under the hood at Applerush. So I'll pass the question off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you guys think about all this in that comment section below. Consider subscribing, because as news continues to come down the wire, of course, we'll update you here. But stay cool, stay awesome. And as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.